Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. The title of our today's video is How to Add Facebook Leads to Google Sheets for Medical Device Industry. So I'm running a medical device business, and to promote my business, I'm running certain lead ads, and I want that whenever I receive a new lead, automatically the details of the new lead should be added to my Google Sheet. For this, we have to create an integration between Facebook and Google Sheets. To create this integration, we are going to use Pabbly. It's an amazing automation software. In Pabbly, we have trigger and action. For trigger, we are going to use Facebook, and for action, we are going to use Google Sheets. To know how to do this, let me take you to my computer screen. So in this video, we are going to understand that how can we copy our Facebook leads to Google Sheets for a medical device industry. I'm running a medical device business named Lifecare Medical Equipments, and to promote my business, I'm running certain lead ads. I want that whenever I receive a new lead in my lead ads account, automatically the details of that lead should be captured in my Google Sheets so that all of my employees and my sales department have the details of all the leads in one sheet only. To do this, we have to integrate our Facebook lead ads account to our Google Sheets account. We are going to integrate this with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and here we have two options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up for free. I'll just click on sign in because I am an existing user. If you are a new user, you can click on sign up for free and you will get 100 of tasks free every month. After clicking on sign in, it is redirecting me to the Pabbly's all apps window. Here are all the tools offered by Pabbly. We are going to select Pabbly Connect for our today's video because it says connect applications and send data from one app to another, and we want to connect our Facebook lead ads account to our Google Sheets account. So I'll click on access now. After clicking access now, it is opening my dashboard, and to start with the automation, we are going to click on this button right over here which says create workflow, and now it is asking me the folder I want to save the workflow in and the workflow name. So I want to save the workflow in this folder which is saying Facebook lead ads to Google Sheets automation, and I want to name my workflow as Facebook lead ads to Google Sheets for medical device industry, and now I'm going to click on create. You can select your desired folder and name the workflow as you desire. After clicking on create, it is opening my workflow window. This is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this, you can understand that the trigger is the commander for the workflow and actions follow the command. And as you know that we can have only a single commander but multiple followers, so we can have only a single trigger but multiple actions following the commands. So to start with the automation, we are going to select our trigger application, that is Facebook lead, and then the trigger event as new lead instant. I selected new lead instant because I want that whenever I receive a new lead, instantly the details of that lead should be added to my Google Sheets too. If you don't want this process to happen instantly, you can select new lead too. After that, I am going to click on connect. And now it is asking me to add a new connection or select the existing connection. So I'm going to click on add a new connection, but if you have already connected your Facebook lead ads account to Pabbly's workflow, you can select the existing connection. After that, I'm going to click on connect with Facebook lead ads. And now I'm going to select my account and click on continue. And you can see that we have successfully connected our Facebook lead ads account to our Pabbly's workflow. And now it is asking me the page and the lead gen form. So for page, as you know, we are going to select Lifecare Medical Equipments. And for the lead gen forms, I'm going to select medical equipments because I want to create the automation for this particular form only. If you want to create the automation for all your lead gen forms, you can also select all lead gen forms. After selecting my desired form, I'm going to click on save and send test request. As soon as I click on save and send test request, it is saying waiting for a webhook response. This means that Pabbly is waiting to capture a lead. So we'll go to our lead ads testing tool and generate a dummy lead. So we are going to select our page, that is Lifecare Medical Equipments, and the form as medical equipments. After that, I'm going to click on preview form. And then I'm going to enter the dummy details. After entering all the details, I'm going to click on next and then submit. You can see that it is saying your test lead has been sent. This means that lead ads testing tool has sent the lead to our workflows. And yes, you can see the dummy email, the dummy full name and the dummy phone number that we entered. This means that our trigger step is successful and we'll move to our action step. So for our action step, our application would be Google Sheets and our action event would be add a new row. After that, we are going to click on connect. So now it is asking me to add a new connection or select the existing connection. So if you have already connected your Google Sheets account with your Pabbly's work, you can select the existing connection, but I am going to click on add a new connection and then sign in with Google. I am going to select my account and click on allow. I'll click on allow because Pabbly is safe and I can give it all the permission it is asking for. And now you can see that we have successfully connected our Google Sheets account with our Pabbly's workflow. Now it is asking me the spreadsheet name and the sheet name. So as you know, the name of our spreadsheet is Facebook Leads and the name of the sheet is Medical Device. So we'll select the spreadsheet name as Facebook Leads and I'm going to select the sheet name as Medical Device. After that, we are going to map the name, the phone number and the email. Mapping means inserting the data from the previous step. And as you know, our previous step was the trigger step where we selected Facebook Lead Ads as our trigger application. So we are going to map the details from that application's response only. So we are going to map the full name, the dummy phone number, and then the dummy email. After mapping all these details, I am going to click on Save and Send Test Request. And yes, you can see that we have received a positive response. It is saying that our details have been added to the Google Sheets. So we'll go to our Google Sheets and check that if the details have been added or not. And yes, you can see the dummy name, the dummy phone number and the dummy email that we entered has been added to our Google Sheets. So we'll just try the workflow once again. We'll go to our lead ads testing tool. Delete the previous lead and refresh the page. It is really important to delete the lead and refresh the page, otherwise you'll not be able to create a new lead or preview the form. After that, again I'm going to select the page and the form as medical equipments. After that, I'm going to click on preview form. After clicking on the preview form button, I'm going to enter the dummy details again. After entering the dummy details, I'm again going to click on next and then submit. And now it is saying your test lead has been sent. This means that our lead details have been added to the Google Sheets too. So we'll directly go to our Google Sheets. And yes, you can see the dummy name, the dummy phone number and the dummy email that we entered. This means that our workflow is successful. We'll just summarize the workflow once. So for the trigger application, we selected Facebook Lead Ads. For trigger event, we selected New Lead Instant. We connected our Facebook Lead Ads account with our Pabbly's workflow. After that, we selected the page and the lead gen form. And then we clicked on Save and Send Test Request, generated a dummy response and then we moved to our action step. For our action application, we selected Google Sheets. For our action event, we selected Add a New Row. We connected our Google Sheets account with our Pabbly's workflow. Then we selected the spreadsheet, the sheet. We mapped the name, phone number and email and then again we clicked on Save and Send Test Request. We tried the workflow once and with this our video and our automation is successful. If you have any query, you can directly comment on this video and for your reference I'll just share the workflow link in the description box so you can clone the workflow and start automating your task. Thank you for watching. Not only these two applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can integrate many more applications. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this website. And if you find this video helpful, do like and subscribe our channel for more such automations. Thank you.